Louise Hay's You Can Heal Your Life is a transformative book that emphasizes the power of self-love, positive thinking, and personal responsibility for creating a fulfilling life. Today, we're looking at practical ways to apply these principles in our daily lives. Let's uncover how these simple yet powerful ideas can help us lead healthier, happier lives every day, exploring the core ideas that Hay shares in her book. There are 3 core takeaways from the book. 1. Thoughts shape our reality. 2. The power of self-love. 3. Mind-body connection. Before you start healing your life, subscribe Poetics of Success for more soul-enriching content. Here's a breakdown of the key points from You Can Heal Your Life. Louise Hay believes that what we think about ourselves affects what happens in our lives. Negative thoughts can lead to stress or even health issues, while positive thoughts and affirmations help us feel better and grow. To truly heal, we need to love and accept ourselves. Hay says we should be kind and forgiving to ourselves, which helps us let go of feelings like guilt and anger, making us happier and healthier. The writer highlights that many health problems may come from deep emotional hurts. By dealing with these feelings, we can help our bodies heal. Her affirmations are designed to turn negative thoughts into positive ones, supporting both mental and physical health. These takeaways make the book a powerful guide for personal transformation and holistic healing, with lasting relevance for those looking to cultivate inner peace and well-being. In You Can Heal Your Life, Louise Hay explains that the idea, thoughts shaping our reality, means that what we think and believe has a big impact on our lives. According to her, if we have negative thoughts or beliefs, it can lead to stress, unhappiness, and even physical health problems. On the other hand, positive thoughts and self-affirmations can help us feel better, attract good things into our lives, and even heal. In the book, Hay shares examples of people who changed their thoughts and healed themselves. For instance, she describes how people with negative beliefs about themselves often experience ongoing struggles in relationships, work, or health. One story talks about a woman who always thought she was not good enough. This belief made her feel insecure and affected her health. When she started repeating affirmations like, "I am worthy of love," she noticed her confidence and health improving over time. Another example is Hay's own story. She believed that healing her negative thoughts about past traumas could help her recover from cancer. By using positive affirmations and letting go of resentment, she believed she was able to support her body's natural healing. The idea that thoughts shape our reality suggests that our daily lives can improve if we focus on positive thoughts. If we tell ourselves positive things like, "I am capable," or "I am worthy," it can help us feel more confident. This can make it easier to try new things, work toward our goals, and feel better about ourselves. Positive thinking about ourselves can help us treat others better too. When we are kinder to ourselves, we're more likely to be patient, forgiving, and loving with others, which improves relationships. According to the author, releasing negative thoughts like anger or resentment can reduce stress. Less stress can help improve physical health, as it's linked to better immune function, lower blood pressure, and overall well-being. Hay's idea that thoughts shape our reality teaches us to be aware of our thoughts, as they have the power to create both positive and negative changes in our lives. Practicing self-affirmation and focusing on positive beliefs can help us live happier, healthier lives. In You Can Heal Your Life, Louise Hay talks a lot about the power of self-love. She believes that loving and accepting ourselves is the foundation for a happy, healthy life. Hay says that when we treat ourselves with kindness and forgive ourselves for past mistakes, we open the door to healing, joy, and personal growth. Self-love, according to Hay, is essential for building a better relationship with ourselves and with others. In the book, Hay provides examples of people who struggle with feelings of guilt, shame, or self-criticism. For example, she describes a man who had been hard on himself for years, feeling unworthy of love or success. By practicing self-love, saying positive things about himself and forgiving his past mistakes, he gradually changed his self-image. This helped him feel happier and improved his relationships. The writer also talks about her own journey, where she had to forgive herself for her past and learn to love herself despite her challenges. She used positive affirmations like "I approve of myself" or "I am deserving of good things" to reinforce self-love. This shift helped her experience better emotional and physical health. When we love ourselves, we're less likely to be stressed by negative thoughts or criticism. This can help us feel more relaxed and satisfied with life, even when things get tough. Self-love boosts our confidence because we believe we are worthy of good things. With this mindset, it's easier to take on new challenges, pursue goals, and handle setbacks without getting discouraged. When we're kind and loving to ourselves, we're more likely to treat others with kindness too. This can strengthen our relationships with family, friends, and even co-workers because we're less likely to judge or resent others. Self-love can help us make healthier choices, like eating well, exercising, and taking care of our mental health. Hay believed that when we love ourselves, our bodies respond by being healthier too. The principle, power of self-love, teaches us that being kind and accepting toward ourselves is essential for creating a happy, balanced life. By practicing self-love, we can experience less stress, build stronger relationships, feel more confident, and support our physical health. You Can Heal Your Life emphasizes the importance of the mind-body connection. Louise Hay believes that our physical health is closely linked to our emotions and thoughts. According to Hay, when we carry negative feelings like anger, guilt, or resentment, it can create tension in the body and sometimes even cause illness. By changing our thoughts and releasing negative emotions, we can help our bodies heal and stay healthy. Hay suggests that back pain, especially lower back pain, can be linked to feeling unsupported or having financial worries. If someone is constantly worried about money or feeling insecure, that stress can create tension in the back. She encourages people to use affirmations like, "I trust the process of life. I am always supported," to reduce these worries and ease their pain. This author mentions that people who have trouble expressing themselves or who feel they aren't allowed to speak their truth may develop throat issues like sore throats or laryngitis. By encouraging people to affirm statements like, "It is safe to express my true feelings," she believes they can heal both emotionally and physically. Louise Hay also suggests that digestive issues might be linked to holding on to fear or not fully digesting life's experiences. Someone who feels anxious or can't let go of certain emotions may experience stomach problems. By addressing those emotions with positive affirmations like, "I trust myself to handle my emotions," she believes that a person can start to feel better physically. Understanding the mind-body connection can help us make changes that benefit both our emotional and physical health. By paying attention to our feelings, we might notice how certain emotions affect our bodies. For example, if we're feeling tense, we might realize that our neck or shoulders are tight. This awareness can help us manage stress before it affects our health. Hay encourages people to use affirmations to counter negative thoughts. If we're worried about money, saying, "I am always provided for," can help reduce that worry. Using affirmations regularly can shift our mindset, reducing stress and helping us feel better overall. The mind-body connection shows that holding on to negative emotions can harm our health. If we let go of anger, guilt, or resentment, we can feel lighter and healthier. For example, forgiving someone who hurt us can help us release tension we didn't realize we were carrying. When we recognize that our thoughts and emotions impact our bodies, we might prioritize activities that support both our mental and physical health, like meditation, exercise, or journaling. In summary, Hay's belief in the mind-body connection teaches us that our physical health is connected to our emotional well-being. By being mindful of our thoughts and releasing negative feelings, we can help our bodies stay healthy and balanced. This idea can lead to more mindful self-care, emotional release, and a positive approach to health and healing. You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay stands out from other self-help books because it focuses heavily on the connection between our thoughts, emotions, and physical health. Unlike many self-help books that mainly focus on goal setting, productivity, or positive thinking, Hay's book introduces a unique idea. Our physical and emotional healing are deeply connected. Most self-help books talk about changing thoughts to improve happiness or success, but Hay goes further by showing how negative thoughts might actually lead to physical illness. She believes that each physical problem is connected to specific emotions or thoughts. For instance, she suggests that back pain can be related to financial stress or lack of support. While many self-help books encourage positive thinking, You Can Heal Your Life is well known for its use of affirmations, short positive statements you repeat to help change your beliefs. Hay provides specific affirmations to heal specific problems, like I love and approve of myself for self-worth, or I am safe to reduce fear. This practical tool gives readers something they can do every day to work toward healing, which is a unique and actionable approach that makes the book feel empowering. You Can Heal Your Life has been successful because it offers readers hope and a sense of control over their lives. Here are some reasons why it continues to reach so many people. Hay's book empowers people to believe they can change their lives by changing their thoughts and releasing negative emotions. It encourages readers to take responsibility for their own healing, which feels liberating and inspiring. Hay's gentle, understanding tone and simple language make readers feel supported, as if she is a friend guiding them rather than an expert lecturing them. This warmth makes readers want to engage with her ideas and try the exercises. Many people who have found healing or comfort in Hay's book recommend it to others. This word of mouth, along with the lasting impact of her teachings, has kept the book popular for decades. In short, the book stands out because of its unique focus on healing both the mind and body, its practical use of affirmations, and its warm, empowering approach. These qualities make it different from other self-help books and have helped it remain a powerful, beloved book for people looking to improve their lives. To wrap up, You Can Heal Your Life by Louise Hay reminds us of the incredible power of our thoughts, the importance of self-love, and how closely our minds and bodies are connected. Hay's message is simple but profound. By changing how we think about ourselves, we can bring more health, happiness, and peace into our lives. Whether it's through affirmations, letting go of negative emotions, or learning to love ourselves, this book offers powerful tools to heal and grow. Thank you for joining us on this journey into Hay's work here at Poetics of Success. Wishing you all wealth, success, and consistency on your path forward.